Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out this healthy pillow. So as soon as you pull it out of the wrapper, it starts expanding and you can see it expanding. So this is what it looks like as your head lays down on it. After a night's sleep, it rises back up. So it's a nice and soft pillow. You have a zipper here. They do recommend that you hand wash this. So let's go over a couple things here. So the first layer feels like it could be cotton inside here. And then you have this eggshell memory foam padding. And then you have this other padding, which is, I don't think it's a memory foam, I just think it's a regular foam padding. So it depends on, your preference. You could lay like this, or you could have the pillow turn the other side and lay like that. So on this side, it's more stiff. As you can see, it bounces more. But on this side, it's more soft and it sinks down in more. So that's going to be depending on, your personal preference, how you sleep. So it's actually pretty nice that you got two options here. Overall, it's a nice pillow.